The novel coronavirus continues to impact our lives here in the United States and across the globe. We've gotten quite a few inquiries lately about whether people should update older wills and trusts to deal with the issues related to the pandemic, and if so, how. Honestly, we know it's not the most comforting thing to hear, but it depends. Let's go through a few issues to consider, which will help you to understand the next steps to take. As an estate planning firm, we generally suggest our clients review their estate plans with us every 3 years. The laws governing wills, trusts, taxes, and estates are revised often, so this helps your plan to stay up to date with the times. The most critical document we believe every adult needs during this pandemic is a power of attorney. This allows us to appoint someone to manage your legal affairs should you get sick and are unable to do so. Unfortunately, many banks and financial institutions will not honor a power of attorney designation that is over 12 months old. In this case, you should renew your power of attorney at the end of every year to make sure that it will be considered current. If anything has changed significantly in your life since your last review, such as a marriage, a divorce, purchase or sale of property, birth or death of your children, adoptions, inheritances, or a medical diagnosis, you should meet with your lawyer to update your plan. The plan is a snapshot of your life and wishes, so you want it to be as accurate as possible. You also want to make sure that your plan reflects your current thinking. We recently heard from someone whose older plan stated that she was never to be placed on a ventilator under any circumstances. This person now wanted to update the language in her plan to state that if she was diagnosed with the virus and a ventilator was necessary to save her life, it would be okay to move forward with the procedure. In all, the pandemic has given us a lot to think about. I've talked with many people who once believed their affairs were in order, but have since discovered that documents that are out of date or no longer reflected their current wishes. The bottom line is, if you are unsure your plan is sufficient, have it reviewed. If you need help with the process, please contact our office and we'll schedule a consultation.